Hello students, all of you, welcome for the new session. Today we are starting new topic, lifestyle of animal. This is first topic of our syllabus. Previously we have studied second topic, okay, that was reproduction in plant. Reproduction in plant topic we have studied for last semester, and today we'll start the new topic, lifestyle of animals. In this topic regarding, we are going to learn about that how different type of organisms, animals, they live, how they find food, how they feed food, and the concerned things. Because on our earth we have huge diversity of living things. There are different forms, there are different habitats. Habitats in the sense they live on different places. Okay. Animals found on earth are very different type and they are present in different locations of the earth. They are found in different locations on earth, and different locations of the earth have different climatic conditions. So depending upon different climatic conditions, there is a different climate and weather on different locations, and because of this different locations and climatic conditions, different living organisms develop. There are different types of living organisms to that different geographical locations. So depending upon it, the animal found in such regions are also different. Please take a note of it. They have different body features, behavior, and habitats. They have different body features, behaviors, and habitats. So this brings about the difference in the organisms. They have special structures for feeding. For feeding means to eat food is feeding. Breathing, locomotion, reproduction. For all this, different organisms have different body structures, special body structures. Okay, so for example, let me tell you that how different organisms have different type of special structures. So for eating food, if we consider that is feeding, in birds you can see beak, and in animals you can see mouth with teeth. Okay, so this is the difference in the birds and the animals. In case of breathing, I can tell you some animals, for example, if we take the human being, okay, human being have lungs for breathing, but aquatic organisms like fish have gills for breathing. Locomotion. In birds, there are wings for locomotion. Bird fly with the help of wings and they go from one place to another. And if we compare that with human have legs for walking, for locomotion. So these are the special structures in different organisms. Breathing in animal. So that is what we are going to study in this topic, that which different special structures are present in different type of living things. So first we are going to consider breathing. It is very essential mechanical process which involves the inhaling oxygen and exhaling carbon dioxide. So now the question arises that what is inhaling and what is exhaling. Inhaling and exhaling with the help of respiratory system for the production and release of energy, it is necessary. So inhaling means to take air inside our lungs. What is inhaling? To take air inside our lungs is inhaling, and then releasing the air outside from the lung is a exhaling. This is called as inhalation, take air inside, exhalation, release air outside from the lungs. So this is the process of breathing, inhalation and exhalation. Different animals have different organs for breathing, and they breathe in different way. So how different organisms breathe in different way, let us study now. First, let me tell you about gaseous exchange in simple animals. Simple animals in the sense, it means these animals are made up of single cell. Simple animals means they are made up of single cell. Like you can see the example in the picture is amoeba. Amoeba is made up of single cell, unicellular. And the other simple organism, that is multicellular, which is made up of many cells, that is earthworm. And earthworm have holes on the body surface of the earthworm, and through that holes earthworm can carry out simple breathing. So these are the simple organisms, and they breathe through their body surface. So their body surface itself acts as a organ for breathing. Okay, so that is why it is called as simple animals. Type of animals. Now, different organisms we are going to study now, and how they carry out respiration. What kind of a respiratory system they have, we will study. So in case of insect, they have a tracheal respiratory system. Insects have tracheal respiratory system. Tracheal respiratory system means it is a network of tube-like structures which are connected to the holes on the body surface on both sides of the insect. Okay. The blue color you can see in the image, that is all tracheal system, and that tracheal system is connected with the holes that are called as spiracles. These are the holes which are called as abdominal spiracles. What is the meaning of abdominal spiracle? Means the holes present on stomach region, that is abdominal region. And spiracles are nothing but the holes on the body of insects like cockroach, grasshopper, caterpillar, etc. Okay, cockroach, grasshopper, caterpillar are the insects, and all insects breathe through the spiracles, which are holes on their body. Aquatic animals. Aquatic animals, the animals which live in the water, like fish, prawns, crabs, tadpoles. Tadpole is a type of frog, okay, which live sometimes in water and mostly on the land. Okay, means it can live on land also and in water also. Most of aquatic animals breathe through their gills. As I said, fish have gills. Aquatic organisms have gills for breathing. Gills are present on either side of body. Either side of body means both side of body. Gills are present, left and right. Gills are made up of number of gill filaments red in color. Okay, it is red in color. Okay, so the filaments of the gill, they are red in color. Gaseous exchange occur through gills. What is gaseous exchange? Exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide with the help of gills and gill filaments is called as gaseous exchange through gills. Example already I have told you. Here I have shown you parts of fish. Okay. So when fish is carrying out breathing, what happens? Water is taken inside of mouth and it is released out through the gills. This water is released out through the gills, and when water passes through the gill filaments, there is an exchange of gases like carbon dioxide and oxygen. So oxygen is absorbed into the gill filaments and carbon dioxide is released from the gill filaments. In this way, fish carry out breathing. Amphibians. Amphibians are the animals which can live on both type of habitats. So what are both type of habitats? It's a habitat means frog can live on land and water also. Both kind of habitat means the place of living is possible in case of amphibians. Amphibians can live on both land and water. They can breathe in air also and they can breathe in water also. Okay. Frog is amphibian. Adult frog breathe through lung on land. So the frog which is adult means well developed, well grown frog can breathe on land with the help of lungs, and when frog is underwater, it can breathe through moist skin. Okay, moist skin of the frog comes in contact with the water and there is an easy exchange of gases. So this is the features of amphibians. Higher animals. Higher animals means the animals which are developed and they have well developed body systems. Okay, so let me tell you some examples of higher animals, that is dog, tiger, lion, cat, mouse, camel, elephant, horse, human being. These are all higher animals. They have well developed body systems. Okay, so all mammals have complex respiratory system, include nose, trachea, bronchi, lungs, etc. So mammals, what is the meaning of mammal? Mammal means the animal which can give direct birth to the baby, okay, which can develop the baby inside the body of the animal, that is called as mammal. Okay, mammals are, let me tell you once again, mammals are the well developed organisms. They have hair on their body. This is also a characteristic that mammals have hairs on all their body surface. They give direct birth to the baby. They do not lay eggs and they develop the baby inside the body. Okay, so this is the characteristic of the mammal. Mammal is a higher animal, and the respiratory system of such higher animal is made up of nose, trachea, bronchi, lungs, etc. So I'll show you the image of this. Breathing. Inhalation, expand chest to fill air inside the lungs. So breathing process involves two steps, that is inhalation and exhalation. Already I told you. So when we inhale, we expand the chest to fill air inside the lung. And what is exhalation? We contract the chest to exhale the air outside the lungs. Now let me show you the image of the respiratory system of man. This is the trachea, which is connected to the nose. Okay, it is connected to the nose and nose cavity. Trachea, it is a tube-like structure which is divided into two branches like this, left and right. Let me show you once again. This tube, trachea, is divided into two branches, that is called as bronchus, okay, or it is called as bronchi. This bronchi again divided into fine branches, as you can see in the image. Branching of the bronchus is called as bronchioles, and these bronchioles are actually carrying out the exchange of gases. This is the left lung and this is the right side of the lung. Okay, left and right pair of lung is present in the respiratory system of human. Thank you. So till now what we have studied, that respiratory system of human is made up of many parts, as you have studied, and this special structure is developed for carrying out proper and efficient breathing. Thank you. So here we stop, and the remaining portion of the topic will continue in the next lecture.